Ted's Woodworking Review, Truth about Ted's website. Ted's Woodworking is one of the most popular woodworking packages on the market today. But is it worth the investment? Maybe you are afraid that it is a scam. Keep on reading and find out. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. What is in the package? The package contains 16,000 woodworking projects and blueprints. Created by Ted McGrath, who spent 2 years putting all the projects together. There is a lot of woodworking projects in the package divided into categories such as dog house, shed, shelf, storage, and many more. Who is Ted McGrath? Ted is a professional woodworker, educator, and AWI member. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. Is it worth the money? You are surely wondering whether it is worth to buy Ted's Woodworking or not. Well, I think it is. The product contains 16,000 woodworking plans that are very detailed and fully covered. There is a lot of pictures and diagrams, a complete set of blueprints, easy to follow step-by-step instructions, a list of all the materials and tools you would require to finish a project. Make 16,000 projects with step-by-step plans. Click the first link below to get TedsWoodworking for a discounted price now from the official website. What I liked about Ted's Woodworking, it contains fully covered, detailed blueprints, clear instructions, complete diagrams, lists of materials, and tools needed to finish a project. Everything is very organized. There is a lot of websites on the internet that offer some uncompleted guides on woodworking that are lacking details. Ted's Woodworking is not one of those websites. It saved me a lot of time and money. And it will save you too, especially if you are just a beginner. It is equivalent to thousands of woodworking guides in one simple product. Bonuses. Software, DWG CAD Viewer, 150 premium videos, the complete woodworking carpentry guide. 60 days money-back guarantee. My final recommendation is to pick Ted's Woodworking from its official website in the first link below, follow it up and then come back here again to let us know what you think about it. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful content.